Okay, here's how you work the new gas cans. There's safety latches here. Do this right here, you want to push up with the palm of your hand. So you reach in behind here, get the palm here, put your fingers on this part right here, push that up with the palm, and then this whole big thing right here gets to be shoved forward. Then your fuel can flow. And yes, this is difficult. Take some pressure, and if you got arthritis, it hurts like hell. So there's another one you can look for. It's a little bit easier. Neither one of them is easy. You can put your fingers right here, take your thumb and put it in the back, and if you're arthritic, you know, that has to be depressed. If you're arthritic, then you can get past this knuckle right here and really shove. But either way, it's difficult and painful with arthritis. Now, at least this one, I'm not suggesting you do this, but you could modify it by breaking these tabs off and filing them down to where it doesn't stab you. That way you can get your whole palm behind it and really push like you can on this one. The reason is because this one, although you can get your palm on it, it takes so much more force to shove it in. This takes less force to shove it in, but you can't use your palm because they've got these tabs right here. Obviously, there are serious fire hazards involved in the handling and the storage of fuel. So whatever you do, do not go to the description of my video. And do not click on the link in the description of my video for the old school type spouts and lids. Because if you get those old school spouts and lids, yes, it will be much easier to deal with your new gas cans. But you never know. Rabid monkeys might break into your garage, start playing with your gas cans. They might spill gas all over themselves. Then they might set themselves on fire. Then they could run around setting your car, show cars on fire, your tools on fire. Eventually your whole garage is engulfed in fire. Then the fire spreads to the woods behind your garage. It spreads to your neighbor's house. Next thing you know, your whole neighborhood's on fire.